In this video, I will show you how to change your PayPal phone number. To do this, you want to go and open up PayPal. It can be the app or website, and then on the website you want to click on the settings icon, and on the app click on the three lines in the top left. Now from here on the mobile app, scroll down and click on your profile, and then you will see this. From here click personal info. From here you can then see your current phone number, so if you then click on it, from here you can click edit, then click continue. Now go and enter your new phone number and choose from which country it is, and then the categories, so home, work or mobile. Then once you click add, it will verify that you actually have access to it by sending you a code. So then you simply have to enter that code, and after doing that you will then have added that phone number, and you will also be able to delete the previous one from here and set the new one as your primary. So that's how to change your PayPal phone number. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.